Everyone, myself Gagan Thakur. I am your science teacher in Sadaram Bansal Memorial Senior Secondary School, Kotkapura. Today we will start the fourth chapter of 7th class. The name of the chapter is Heat. So let's start the chapter.
First, I give you the introduction of the chapter. The name of the chapter is Heat. So, according to a theory, it starts with when fire was invented. Some curious person touched the fire and his hand got burned. On that day, heat was invented. Also, there was a fundamental theory that heat is a form of energy. For example, if we take a popcorn, as soon as we apply heat on the bottom of the pan, this popcorn takes the energy from the heat and able to jump. So heat giving energy to the popcorn to jump. So we can say that heat is a form of energy. So I hope you understand the introduction of the chapter. Now let's start. Uh, how do you tell the difference that substances are hot or cold? You can see in the picture that you can see coffee, ice cream, water, something is frying. You can easily tell it by seeing it. In the next picture, now can you tell that these things are hot or cold? Like the fruits are hot or cold, the pizza is hot or cold, and the thing present in the pan is hot or cold? No, you cannot tell it by seeing it. For this, you use your hand to touch it and then tell it that the thing is hot or cold. But then, if something is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius, then will you be able to touch it? No, you won't be. If you will touch it, you will get burnt. If the thing is cold, you also do not touch it properly. So, hands is not a reliable method always for judging whether object is hot or cold. Here is an experiment to prove that hands are reliable method or not. Take Take three beakers. Put cold water in first beaker. Put hot water in second beaker and mixture of hot and cold water in third beaker. Then put your left hand in the first beaker, that is cold water. Then your right hand dip in the second beaker, that is hot water. Then wait for some time. After some time, put your both hands and dip into the third beaker. Now what will happen? Your left hand, which was dipped in cold water, will feel very hot in the third beaker. So, do you realize that now that your sense of touch are not always reliable? So, we can say that hands is not always a reliable method to judging whether an object is hot or cold. So, there are some question arises like reliable method of judging hot or cold. If any object is hot or cold, if any object is very hot or cold or slightly cold, if any object is cold or slightly cold, it is depend upon the temperature. When the heat is given, then the temperature will increase and the thing become hot, and the heat when removed, the temperature decrease and the thing become cold. So temperature affect the hotness and coldness of the product. Now how do we find how hot and or cold an object is? A reliable method of the measurement of an object is temperature. Degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called temperature. Temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. There are two types of thermometers. First is clinical, second is laboratory. Clinical thermometer is used to measure our body temperature, and laboratory thermometer that are used to measure the temperature of others. Also, we can say that these are the common objects in laboratories. So, we will discuss first the clinical.